Okay, so what we are doing in this video, you will learn how to build a scraper using a Python. It scraps a description, keywords, and URL. Well, so let's start. Firstly, you have to import a URL lib and beautiful soup. So from BS4, import a beautiful soup. Okay, now create a fnd variable which you are going to store that you will receive from the server. So it is equals to url lib dot request dot url open, inside which you are going to pass some url. We will pass it later. Now create a soup variable inside which we are going to store a broken HTML, fix the broken HTML. So write beautiful soup. Inside we will pass fnd comma html dot parser. Okay, html dot parser. Yeah. Now write create a variable tags equals to soup, and inside write which tag you want to scrap from the received data. So for I want to scrap a meta tags and comma curly braces. Now write what you have to scrap from inside the meta tag. Like you better know what is meta tag, right? Yeah. So for like what type of meta tag is meta, then inside is name equals to description and then content. So for I want to scrap content of name equals to description. So for I'm scrapping a description. So what we have to write is name and then description. Yeah. Let's move ahead. Now using a for loop, we are printing it. So for tag in tags, then print tag dot get content. Yeah, it's perfectly. Now let's check. Now we have to check it whether it's working or not. So I am pasting my own website's URL. So let's grab its description, copy and paste. Now let's check it. Oh, I forgot to on my internet. So let's check it, run it. Yeah, it's perfectly working. You can see the description that is scrapped by this program. Okay, now let's check keywords of tutorials point. Okay, let's try it. We can try to scrap on page keywords. Yeah, let's copy the tutorials point website URL and copy it here. Let's check. Oh, sorry. Here not description. I have to write the keywords because I want to scrap keywords. Let's recheck it. Yeah, you can see perfectly. It's perfectly working. It's perfectly working. See, I had scrapped C, C++, Python, Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These are the basically keywords that are present on that page. Okay. So basically, question arises: what type of process is happening in URL lib? So I created this program. So what type of process is happening is you are basically making a socket, then you are establishing the connections, then you are manually creating a get request, basically creating a get request. Now what a process is happening in URL is you are creating a socket and that all things. So I had created my own mysocket.py. So what here happening is I had created a socket.connected. I had connected it to port 80. Then I have decoded. I had made a get request and I have to decode it and code it because our internet world is full of UTF-8. So you have to basically encode it, and then I am sending it, and then using a while loop I am printing the data. Now I have to decode it because as we are receiving the data is in the form of UTF-8, so you have to decode it like this. Yeah, dot decode. Now using this if loop, if I stopped getting the data, then it will obviously break the while loop and come out of this, and finally the socket is closed. So this is the method of the socket. Now you can build your own scraper. So hope guys you like it and share
like a Hellcat.